Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey, and Daytona, Florida. So our friend Mateusz over in Europe, we've been messaging back and forth for a couple years now, and he's put together something really nice, really exciting. He's actually putting together a chain of franchises in Europe, motorcycle audio. So it's Mefiu Motorcycle Audio. Their current location is expanding, and they're opening their new location in Poland. So they're having an event coming up on August 29th. That's this weekend, 2026. So he invited me, and he invited Keith Doobie from Doob's Custom Street Machines, the one that builds our bass knobs for us. So Doobie and I were excited. We were really trying to see if we can make this trip, but it was just impossible to put the logistics together in such a short period of time. So I just wanted to promote his event. It's August 29th, 2026. They're celebrating a milestone of the opening of their brand new garage workshop in Poland. I'm going to post some pictures of his current shop. Really, really nice looking shop. Very organized, very neat, very clean. They're working on Harley Davidson motorcycles. They're working on Indian motorcycles. So they're launching the opening during the same time as the Motorcycle Audio Days 2026. So it's a big event that they have over there. It's a week long. So they're gonna have audio bikes to demo. They're gonna have food. They're gonna have drinks. It's going to be a really well put together event. Check out the flyers. It sucks and I'm not going to be able to make it to this, maybe next year. But they're working on building strong motorcycle audio brand and installer network all across Europe. So it's basically the same thing that we're trying to do here in the United States. So obviously, if you're in Europe and you're anywhere near the event, I definitely recommend checking it out. Let me post some pictures of his shop and the flyer for the event.